Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mary Smart Kenya. In case you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I post any new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. And for my returning family, thank you so much and welcome back to this channel. For the new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing and welcome to this family. For my premier gang, thank you so much guys for always being here. Thank you so much for your support and welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be spending my weekend with you and I'm traveling to Nairobi to my second home. So the first thing that we did was to have our breakfast at Java. Personally, I'm not so comfortable filming in public. That's why I was kind of uncomfortable. So personally, I took dawa and croissant because I find their coffee too strong for me. Which reminds me of this incident that happened some time back when I was still employed. There's this client who came to our office. He needed some services from us, so he wanted a quotation. So he said that he was going to grab coffee from Java because we were in the same building. He offered to buy us coffee, to be precise, brewed coffee. I didn't know how strong it was, and Makio, I take very mild coffee. What? Sema kizunguzungu. And that's how I divorced coffee from hotels. I only take coffee from home because I can dictate or control the amount that I'm going to be putting in my coffee. After that, we went for bowling, and the first requirement is that you give them your shoes, and then they give you the bowling shoes, and then you're supposed to buy socks from them if you don't have socks. But because we didn't want to put on these shoes with our personal socks, so we had to buy. And imagine, a pair of socks was going to 250. So if you want to save that money, you can carry your extra pair of socks. The charges are 500 per head, per game or per round. And they don't receive cash. You either pay via M-Pesa or by using a card. When you're making the payment, you write your names, and then they're going to be filling your names in the computer so that it automatically shows you on the screen which person is going to be playing first. And then you throw this ball twice per person, and then you leave it to the next person. For each round, each person is supposed to throw the ball twice, 10 times. We played 2 rounds, and guess who's going to win? Is it my mister or is it Very Smart?
Strike.
Nishangilie.
Strike.
Good job. This was our first time playing bowling. Okay, we didn't know much about the rules, but honestly speaking, it was very, very, very fun to play. Okay, and this is how you score. Okay, I don't know how these bottles looking like things are called. Okay, for now, let me call them bowling bottles. But if you know the name, kindly comment down below. The more you knock them, the more points you get. But if you knock all of them, that's a strike. You're like a guru in playing bowling.
My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. For a second I can feel like this.
Finally, we are done with the second round, and as you guys guessed, you guys were right. Whoever was Team Mary Smart, we won, and I'm so excited. Being the first time I've just won, it was 186 versus 118. Honestly speaking, it was a very, very tight competition, and he really did well. And congratulations to him too, because this is our first time and we really had fun. And as usual, when a female wins, we really exaggerate everything, and that's what I was doing here. So now we are putting on our shoes so that we can go to the supermarket and do some small shopping, and then we go home.
Make me feel like this.
Finally, we are home, and this is what we got from the supermarket. We have some sukuma wiki, some spinach, coriander leaves, onions, lemons, tomatoes, some flour, and I also got cowboy because I was taught how to make some very soft and layered chapatis. If you haven't watched that, I'm going to be linking that video on my description. So right now, I want us to make dinner. But for the chapatis, I'm going to be making them tomorrow, hoping I will be able to film that.
I was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on.
Next, I'm going to be cooking pilau. And then for this video, sorry, I want to be able to be showing you step by step of how I do the pilau, because I've done several videos which I'm going to be linking them on my description. So this is how I do my salsa or kachumbari, and these are the ingredients that I use. I use green capsicum, tomatoes, coriander leaves, onions, and some lemon juice. I chop everything into small pieces, but I soak my onions in salty water, and then I mix everything. I add salt and then lemon juice, and that's it. It's as simple as that. Our pilau is ready, and this is how it turned out. Honestly speaking, it was so yummy, and I really loved the combination of the pilau and the kachumbari. This is the next day, and I'm preparing breakfast. So we'll be having a white coffee, and then we have some sausages here. I usually boil my sausages before frying them.
But every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Next, I'm going to be making some pancakes, and I usually use milk, self-raising flour, 2 eggs, vanilla essence or lemon juice, and then sugar and salt. You mix all the ingredients, and when your mixer is combined, you add some cooking oil and then you cook on a non-stick pan.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times.
Okay, it's around 12:35 and I'm having my breakfast right now. I don't take my breakfast in the morning, so I'm having some sausages and pancakes and black coffee. I'm sorry the lighting is not so good in this area. So now let me enjoy my breakfasts.
Through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
After breakfast, I'm going to be cleaning the dishes.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine.
I'm now done washing the utensils, so I want to wipe them with a kitchen towel and then store them.
To be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh.
The next thing, I'm going to be cleaning and organizing these kitchen cabinets.
They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me.
This is everything that I've removed from this space and wiped. So I'm going to be, okay, imagine I've never used this. So these I'm going to be washing them, and then we change this from the previous one, which is green. And then for these curtain fasteners, are they fasteners of what? I'm going to be taking them to the bedroom. And then this I will dispose together with this because I don't think they're working. And then for this, okay, I don't have a stand. I am really struggling filming without a stand because I'm so used to using a ring light stand. I think for this, it's not that big, no. I think I'm going to be changing to this. When we cook chapos for storing, we usually separate with these thin papers so that they don't like even this. They're usually round in shape. So we put a chapati and then we put this in between. So this is still neat. That's better. This I'm going to dispose together with this because I think this one is occupying more space compared to this. So these two I'm going to dispose. This is the clutter that I managed to collect. So I interchanged the green organizer or the kitchen rack to this gray one because the curtains are gray, the fridge is gray, so I opted to have this. So this is how I made everything. These are some towels, and then we have that rack. I think it's going to be giving it out because I don't think we're going to be using it again. And then we have this, the spoons and the covers, freer covers or cooking pot covers, and or lids, cooking pot lids, and this flask. That's everything that is there. The lighting is not so good in there, but here we have the big sufurias and the, how are these things called, the basins, and then we have the other normal sufurias that we use, the basin. In short, this is everything that is in there. And then on the lower drawer, these are the tins, the fridge tins that we use. Okay, the tins that the plastic tins that we use to store food in the fridge. And then we have more. And then here, this is where I've arranged all the lids. Up there we had some things which I removed, like we have the eggs. So I put the eggs here. In short, this is how it is. I created more space. With time, I'm going to be doing a kitchen makeover for this space. So yes, there we have our spices. I need spice jars and labels. So soon I'm going to be doing a makeover for this space. Where I did a lot of work is this space. You guys had seen it had a lot and a lot of shopping bags. So this is how I've arranged everything. All these items were up there. So when I created space, I prefer to bring them here. I believe it's more organized than it was. The best thing is very organized compared to me. If you are to choose, he's more organized than I am, honestly speaking. No hard feelings. I know it really challenges me to be organized, and that's what I'm really trying. So that's it. Next, I'm going to be doing the laundry, and the first batch is already washed. So I'm going to be putting the second one, and then I go hang these clothes.
I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar.
Next, we're going to be preparing our fish, and today we're going to be cooking our fish, greens, and ugali. Add ginger and garlic. Then add your tomatoes. Two cubes. Add some tomato paste, and then add your fish.
Get me out of now.
Add some water and cook on medium heat for around 10 minutes. Don't do too much soup, just do a little that zitaiva pamoja. Personally, I don't like fish with soup. I just love mine wet fry. I think this soup is enough. So I'm going to cover and let it cook for like around 10 minutes or so. On this other side, I'm having some goat meat. This I will put in tins and then refrigerate. I'm going to be showing you everything that I've been cooking in these past few days, but I was not able to record. I did chapatis, ugali, pilau, some beef stew, then add coriander leaves in this other pot. The laundry that I did earlier today is now dry, and this is how I had hung everything. And when you hang your clothes at this space, they really get dry very fast. And I was unhanging my clothes, I was seeing this sunset, and it's looking so beautiful. I really loved it. I loved this view. This is how our fish turned out. It was so yummy, and I served it with ugali and some greens. Next, I'm going to be showing you everything how I've been cooking for the batch cooking. We have some mutton and some greens, and then we have fish that we had the extras, and then we have ugali, chapati, pilau, and some stew. This is going to last for some weeks, and this is how I package everything.
Turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be.
So now guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till now. Thank you so much for your support. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so that anytime I post, you're going to be notified. Please make sure you like this video, share it widely so that it can reach more people. Until next time, bye bye.